All right, guys. Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna do a dash cam install. This is the front here. Let me show you guys this camera. I did an unboxing video. This is the Lingdu camera. It's a front and a rear camera. It's got an all proprietary harness that'll plug into your cigarette lighter. So super easy. They sent this product over to me, so I kind of felt wanted to kind of bring you guys along while I did the install and show you guys how this works. Stay tuned till the final product. I believe there's an app I'm going to download. For me as an installer, the less pulling I have to do, the better. I mean, you got to tuck it cleanly and kind of get around. Maybe you want to pull the handle just to give it some slack. Mm-hmm. And at some point, we got this extra.
You can unplug it here in the middle too. To make
yeah, but we got all this extra. So either this is going to get tucked up here, the zip tie, like in a ball.
I just hope it doesn't like you can hear a noise up there. You know?
Yeah. And then this, like, we'll just figure out to mount this. I would actually pull this mirror off so we can just get a good solid like mount right there. And then this wire is the same thing. Like it's kind of ends here. And then the other one, I think it's this portion right here, goes down to the cigarette lighter. So this is going to come down and around and under, and then you know how the Japanese always do their thing and they have all that stuff? Yeah. For us, we just need to plug it in, and this isn't required for like install to pull this off, but I think for us to mount it, I think it's just best for us to do this, you know? And then unfortunately there's only one side, so we have to bring this up. And I don't know if you want to pull this out and then like bring the wires up and around. Well, you can see like here, I mean, you can see like there's already this wire here. I don't know why it goes this way. There's a wire here, so I don't know if it's the same one. And they just did that for like extents. Yeah. And I'm assuming it's like a microphone for the radio or something. Lingdu on. All right, guys, we're midway. I know I told you I would join you at the end. Quite a bit of work to actually install these. Sometimes a little bit easier depending on your type of car. But this is where we mounted the front dash cam. It's just setting here right now. We removed the mirror so we can actually get this centered perfectly. We have the wire running across here. We have to run it down through here. And we have our cigarette lighter coming into the proper area. Right now, I don't think we have power on the cigarette lighter, so now we need to check for that and see what's going on there. So other than that, pretty straightforward. Don't let this kind of like scare you on the install. It's basic stuff. If you ever need professional help, take it to a car stereo shop. They can do this, or your local automotive shop. They can do this stuff super easy. A lot of it can be tucked behind wires or behind the actual panel itself, where you don't actually have to pull this off, but it is really easy if you have some automotive background. Download the app. It's smarter than some things, because some of the stuff's like, you got to do this and do these steps, and this thing's like already like pre-doing it, you know? All right, guys, so we just finished up doing the install. Just kind of want to show you like a live view of this. You're not going to actually be turning your phone on every time. It automatically starts recording whenever you turn the car on or whenever you plug it into the USB cigarette lighter. It does have the rear view, so you can switch on camera like to actually see the rear view if you want and just see what's going on, but it's always recording it. So you can see it's a really clean view. Don't you love these beautiful skies in Las Vegas? The product works really well. Installation was as expected, super easy. So we're not going to be using this to actually, you know, drive with it. It's just kind of there. It's a safety device. I feel very comfortable having it if I was to ever get in any sort of accident or anything like that. Look at this guy kind of cutting in front of me here. What a perfect shot. So I don't see much latency or much lag on it, to be honest with you. It seems super clear. It is mounted a little high. I do have a blue tinge on my window, so that's what you're seeing there. That's normal. But overall, I mean, I think the quality of the product is really good. I'll try to put a link down below. Maybe they'll hook us up with a little special coupon code or something. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. And if you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you guys like this and you want to see more content like this, I'll be glad to do it in the future. Sorry, I'm driving here. Got my dash cam though, in case I get in an accident. It's not my fault.